Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, my side skirts have finally come in, and I finally finished painting my front bumper lip. So these are going to be two separate videos. I'm going to have one video for the front bumper lip install, and the other video for the side skirt / rear bumper install. So to remove the side skirt, there are 4 clips underneath the car. There's one right here. Under this jacket point, I gotta move this jack probably. There's another one, and then there's one more right here, and then one more down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these 4 clips. Hopefully I can remove this one with the jack in the way. I might have to remove the car, like take the car off the jacks and put it on the ground. But we'll see. I'm gonna take the side skirt off, put it on the horses over there, and then start drilling. To remove the side skirt, it's a little sketchy. You're gonna watch me do it. It's gonna be scary looking, but trust me, it doesn't break anything. It just sounds like it breaks it, but it's not. So you gotta open both doors. You gotta pull it really hard. And then push it forward. Start by cleaning off my side skirt, make sure it's nice and clean. Alright guys, so I looked at the photos and this is about where it needs to land. I really want to take the other one off and make sure they're both the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have both of them lined up, and also it's pretty dark outside, so that's why I have the spotlight out here. So we're gonna continue to work on through the night. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill the holes, or mark them, because I don't need to drill. I'm gonna mark it, I'm gonna drill the pilot holes, throw the rib nuts in there.
1 hour later.
I had to run to the hardware store to get some more stuff for the side skirts, and my car looks stupid with no side skirts on it. Like, what the heck? So I went to Lowe's and grabbed more bolts. Let me grab these, more washers, and then lock nuts, because I was gonna use the rib nuts, but the rib nuts ended up spinning on the plastic, so it won't lock in. So we're gonna get started on this. I'm gonna finish this one out and then do the same thing on that one. It should be pretty simple since I already drilled the holes and everything. going to cut out my jacking points right here. And I'm gonna probably clearance these two a little bit, just so I can so whenever I go to the dealership, they don't have to damage my side skirt trying to get it on and off the lift. Just finished cutting the clearances for my jack mounts or jack points. Now I'm gonna go outside and reinstall these things.
A few minutes later.
Side skirt back on my car. Now I'm gonna install the hardware right here and we'll be done. Alright guys, so the install is done and I'm downtown just chilling. Gonna get some shots of the car at night. It looks really, really good. There's the lip. Saw another video. I'll have it linked again. So yeah. This car looks aggressive AF now. Like, it looks really, really good. I did not install the rear one yet because I still want to wait. I don't know. I don't know what to do because I don't want to cut anything, but I have to cut something. I might have to cut either the side skirt or the rear diffuser. We'll see whenever we cross that road, but it doesn't look too bad at all. Let me do one quick walk around again. Sorry for the filth, but it just got through raining today. But like I said, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. It means a lot to me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram because I do post over there almost daily.